Hi everyone, Sarah here. I know it's been a while, but I have some products to share with you that were sent to me for review from NewCraftDay. I picked out a couple diamond paintings and a project, so I will share with you first the project. So they have these new bookmarks that are, I want to say like thin plexiglass. Well, it's not plexiglass, just plexi, like plastic. So they're like a really thin, bendy plastic. Not super thin, but thin enough. And I thought that would be really, really cool. There's a hanger on it too. Okay, so it comes with that, the drills, the little toolkit, and inside the toolkit, there are rings and, oh, so it looks like we have to put a ring onto the little, I want to say gemstone, but it's like a crystal, to hang it on here. And then we would hang this on the bookmark. So that is pretty cool. Don't want to lose any of those pieces. And then of course your boat, your wax, and your pen. And this one is a special drill project. Probably going to seal this one when it's done. I'm assuming that the adhesive goes across the entire plastic. If I can get the film up here. Yeah, the adhesive is on the entire thing. So you're definitely going to want to seal this one after you get your drills on, so that the edges, especially if you're going to put it inside of a book, you do not want that to stick to the pages of your book. So we have a couple baggies here. There's like an iridescent circle. There is a yellow circle. And then we have turquoise crystal, a yellow one, a nice violet purple, light pink. There's a lighter turquoise. Oh, we have the AB blue, which is really, really pretty. And then we have some marquee purple and marquee AB pinks. Those are really, really pretty. So this is going to be really nice. A nice quick project to do up. It'll be really, really pretty. So there is that one. That off to the side, and then the next one I will show you is this one here. These did all come in the gray mailing bag. I just took it out already because it's easier. They're always a little dusty. So this one, I just fell in love with these cute little faces of these flamingos. They are so cute. It's a 30 by 60, so of course it is going to be a little bit smaller, so probably about 25 by 55. There's usually about 5 centimeters on each side for your border. This one is a round drill. Oh, lots of static in the heating season here. Get this on as good as we can here. Just filming at the kitchen table because the craft room is a little messy right now. Gotta have hiding spots for Christmas these days. Get some of those bubbles out of there. There. So see if we can see without the glare. Really pretty flamingos in the water. So, so cute. We have the legend on both sides. There's DMC codes. This one looks like it's all letters. Drill field looks really nice and clear. And of course it's sticky. There we go, we have our thumbnail. And then just the basic toolkit and our drills. It's gonna be really nice bright colors. Those look really good. That green for the background. It's like every color of the rainbow. And lots of pink. Is that all the same? This is 9 and then this is 10. So you can see this is a little bit deeper pink. Love that mint. Lots of greens. There's 3 more greens in there. Another bright pink. Some turquoise, just a tiny bit of white. So that's going to be really, really nice. It's going to be so cute. And 30 by 60 is good size. It'll work up pretty fast. All right. And this one was, oh, I should have said, feather bookmark was $5.15 Canadian for the set. The flamingo 60 by 30 round was $11.66 Canadian. And then we have one more. This one is Christmas themed. Definitely want to work this one up this week. Ooh, that was a nice squeak. Very, very cute. Basic toolkits. Ta-da! Let's get the wrinkles out of this one. Cats are running around. Let's use this. That was not much better than my hands. It's a very cute gnome in a beautiful starry background. He's holding a tree in his hand and there's some tree in the background and the snow there. Really, really pretty. Again, 30 by 40, but it's going to be slightly smaller, so like 25 by 35. Double legends. DMC codes. Again, this one is all letters also. And you can see the drill field is nice and clear. It's going to be so cute. And the drills for this one. I like the vintage feel to them. You can see the nice star up there. Alright. We have a nice big pouch of off-white. So this isn't white, this is off-white. We have some gray. We get into our blues. Some rose and burgundy, brown, another gray blue, another burgundy and pink, beautiful turquoise. That one looks like a black, red, and then we have some beige colors, more gray and red and grays. So that one's gonna be really nice. It's gonna be so, so cute. So this guy, 30 by 40. Guys, round drill, $6.67 Canadian. So yeah, I do have a coupon code for NewCraftDay. It's Sarah10 for 10% off your order. I will have links to all of these items, also links to the store, and a nice quick link to the Christmas section if you guys want to go straight to Christmas. All right, so that's it. Hope you guys enjoy. Leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.